Hey everyone, the long-awaited DJI Avata 360 has been delayed, and we finally have some clarity on its new launch date and pricing. Originally, rumors suggested a late December release, possibly around the 16th or 18th. But as December comes to an end, DJI hasn't posted any teasers or announcements, which almost confirms it won't launch this year. According to insiders in Shenzhen, DJI now plans to release the Avata 360 in mid-January 2026. Likely around the 16th or 18th, following their usual pattern of teasers a week prior. The delay may be a response to competition, like the early launch of the anti-gravity A1 drone in December. Now, let's talk about what we know so far. The Avata 360 will be a hybrid drone, capable of switching between 360 degrees mode and FPV mode by rotating the gimbal. This is a huge step for immersive filming and versatile flight. It's expected to come in multiple combo kits: basic Fly Smart, drone, goggles, motion controller, 1 battery, $850, Fly Smart Plus, adds charger and 2 extra batteries, $1050, basic Fly More, includes drone, goggles, controller, $1100, full Fly More, adds charger, 2 extra batteries, carrying bag, $1300. A big highlight is the 360 degrees camera system. It will use 2 spherical lenses to capture a full 360 degrees view in 8K, stitched together with AI for smooth footage. FPV mode will record up to 5K at 60 FPS. Other improvements include obstacle avoidance in both modes using lidar, optical, and infrared sensors. Active tracking and gesture controls for advanced operation. Extended range up to 20 kilometers with DJI's latest transmission system. Slightly longer flight time, around 25 minutes. Internal storage upgrade, from 46 GB to roughly 128 GB, expandable via SD card. The Avata 360 isn't for beginners. Both flight modes demand some experience, especially when editing 360 degrees footage. But if DJI nails it, this could be the most innovative drone they've ever released. So, stay tuned for the mid-January launch, and this could change the FPV and 360 degrees drone market forever. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe to stay updated on the Avata 360 and other drone news.